in a month where so many people are trying to scale back on what they eat, this segment is all about adding foods. Registered dietitian Shannon Crocker joins us now with more, and adding more apples, because you found out that apples are even better than we thought they were.
Absolutely. You know what? We think of apples as a great snack. They're super nutritious. They're also a hidden gut health gem because they have prebiotics that actually help to feed or fuel the good bacteria in your gut. And so that keeps them happy and healthy.
Okay.
So today,
in addition to being a great source of fiber.
Yes, fiber and vitamin C, other nutrients as well. So Ontario apples, fabulous. I love to get them. They're available all winter long, well into the spring, so it's great to cook with and to eat as a snack. And I always tell people, if they're wondering, you know, how do I know if I've got Ontario apples in my cart at the grocery store, look for that Foodland Ontario logo.
Right,
yeah.
right.
Absolutely. So today we're going to be talking about, like you said, adding foods in for health and wellness, and we're going to look at different foods to help to support our gut health. We're going to be making an apple maple oatmeal, and you can get the recipe at onapples.com.
Okay, and this is a great make ahead for, like, if making it for the weekend, for the rest of the week kind of thing, because you're just making a big batch of oatmeal, but it's not just any oatmeal.
It's not just any oatmeal. This is fabulous oatmeal. It's super delicious and nutritious. We've got steel cut oats. We've got wheat berries or wheat kernels. We're going to mix those together, cook them equal amounts. Takes about 30 minutes. So that's why I do like to make a batch ahead on the weekend.
Okay, and do you make it with milk or with water?
I make it with water, but you could make it with milk or a plant-based beverage. Meal prep tip, make it ahead on the weekend, put it into containers, put it in the fridge. It's ready to go to add into all of your different toppings during the week. So we've already got the oatmeal made, and now I'm actually going to add in the 2 cups of grated Ontario Honeycrisp apple.
Okay.
So we just add that in, we give it a stir, and then you can add in, if you like, some maple syrup. You can add in about 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I like it just a little bit because it's a great flavor combo with the apples. And also, though, I find the apples pretty sweet themselves, naturally sweet. So I don't think it needs too much extra sweetener.
And I wanted to ask you, why do you add the wheat berries?
The wheat berries, actually, so the wheat berries and the steel cut oats, both whole grains, they're going to give you good gut-friendly fiber.
Okay.
And because they take a little bit longer to cook, that's why we're going to make it on the weekend, but they also have a really nice, chewy texture. So it's going to be like a really hearty tasting oatmeal.
Okay, and the combo is like a 1-on-1 or?
Yeah, 1 cup. So yeah, 1-to-1, depending on how much. Yeah, 1-to-1 ratio is what we go for. Yeah.
And then we're going to dress it up with all kinds of different toppings.
Yeah, absolutely. So the first one, this is for all those peanut butter and chocolate lovers out there. I know there's a few of them. So we've got our apple oatmeal base that we made on the weekend. In the morning, we just heat it up by putting some on the stove or in the microwave with just a little bit of extra liquid, and we've got that heated up. And then we're going to top it up with some Greek yogurt. Okay. So this is going to provide you with some protein.
Just like a dollop?
A little bit more, yeah, a good dollop.
Okay.
But then Greek yogurt is also a fermented food. So it's going to give you good gut bacteria that's going to help to keep your gut healthy. So this is a great gut health addition as well.
Can I add the peanut butter?
You can add some peanut butter. So a good drizzle of peanut butter on here. That's delicious. And I love it with apples. I just love that combination. So
more apples.
More apples. I'm going to add on a chopped Ontario Honeycrisp apple here. We're losing some. There we go. So we've got some nice, that's going to give it a really nice, fresh crunch.
This is like a meal.
It is a meal. It's a good breakfast meal.
Yeah.
Well, this is a little bit more in the bowl of oatmeal than you might have, but I just want to be able to see it on the TV. So if you want to add on some peanuts, and I'm going to add on a little bit of dark chocolate. Just a sprinkle. And actually, dark chocolate also has polyphenols, which are a natural plant-based compound, which have been shown to help to boost gut health as well.
Okay, so we've got about a minute left.
All right, so let's move on to, this is our sauteed gala apples. This is our warm apple pie oatmeal. So if you want to put on some of those sauteed Ontario gala apples, so I just sauteed them up with a little bit of butter, some cinnamon, cardamom, a little bit of nutmeg, and then while you're doing that, I'm going to drizzle on some kefir. This is just a fermented dairy beverage, and that's going to give it a nice tangy taste and also some really good beneficial gut bacteria.
And some almonds.
Toasted walnuts for some good fats and some nice crunch in there.
And 30 seconds left.
And our last one here, this is super seedy, so we've got, if you want to put on this seed mix, I've got pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, all the seeds. I'm going to add on...
I love seeds.
I do too. I'm going to add on some Ontario Ambrosia apples that I've just slivered up here. You can put some coconut on. And then, yep, we're going to add that nice, delicious sweet crunch from the apples again. And we're just going to pour on a little bit of soy beverage, which also research has shown that eating plant-based foods or soy foods actually helps to boost the good gut bacteria as well.
Okay, again, we'll put all the links up to the recipes up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Thanks, these are awesome.
Thank you.
Which one to eat?
Peanut butter chocolate, I'm thinking.